So today we got a Ford Escape with no air conditioning concern, and I had just done a no start on this car just a couple days ago. So that's interesting. It's like I forgot what year it was. Turn off the radio, confirm that it is in fact not working. Okay, this is... Alright, this is why we always double check shit like this. We get nothing for any of these controls. So, that tells me that the problem is probably an internal fuse for all of this that's gone bad. Okay, fuses. Okay, we are looking for a fuse. It's going to be the inside fuse box, I'm pretty sure. And we are looking for something for heating and controlling. F71 looks like it. So, F71, heating control head, manual air conditioner, dual electric automatic temperature control, which is what this is. It's the dual system, so it's got to be F71 and a 7.5 amp fuse. So where the fuck is this thing? So 2017 Ford Escape fuse box location. Under the glove box. Why? Doesn't help that it's hot, so I'm already kind of frustrated. Alright, there's that guy. I've been in here before. These little doohickeys. And then I think there's one more. Yeah. F71. Which is the one we need. And I need to put my glasses back on. Third from the bottom in the second column. Third from the bottom in the second column. Third from the bottom in the second column. Okay. It doesn't look broken, but we're gonna test it. Alright, multimeter to continuity mode. Whenever these two leads touch. One end. Okay. So that's curious. Okay, I just plugged it back in and I'm getting some noises. And now that's lighting up. That's worth testing. Alright, now it's working. So, fuse was fine. The fuse was fine. It was just butthurt that when we did the jump start, that it got didn't get reset or something. It just needed to be unplugged and replugged in. That's pretty obnoxious. This shit sometimes, man. Sometimes it just be like that. I mean, is what it is. Just silly that we had to reset it that way. Get the car on, get the AC going. And then put that all the way on low. Girl, it would help if your AC wasn't like constricted by this.